Money. It's just one of those things we can't live without. We all crave it and we are always looking to get more. But let's face it, piling up cash doesn't mean much if you're not savvy about handling it. That's where having some solid systems in place really comes into play. In this video, I'll show you how to manage your finances so that you'll know exactly where all your money is going. Of course, you can download this template through the first link in the description. And with that being said, let's get started. First, we have the quick access that will allow you to create new entries at the click of a button. Simply, just give it a name and fill out the details. Then, we have the accounts page. Here is where you can manage all of your accounts and view the current balance for each. There's also a breakdown of all income and expenses made between each amount. Also, if we click on navigation, it'll take us to the main page of the template. Next, we have the expenses page. Here is where we can view any expense that has been added this month, this year, and all your expense history. Also, we can view our total expenses. We can use the quick access to add a new source of expense. Simply give it a name and fill out the details. First, we need to state the amount of money that we spent. By default, the date is set to the date that you created that expense, but of course, we can change it. Then assign it to an account, the budget category, and any notes or attachments if necessary. Next, we have the income page. Following a similar layout as the expense, we can view all of our income for the month, the year, all our income history, and our total income. Next, we have our subscriptions page. Here is where we can keep track of all our recurring payments and can sort them by those that are active or inactive. Below this, we have a breakdown of all our subscriptions. The type of billing will determine the calculated cost both for the month and yearly, with totals for each underneath. Lastly, we have a calendar view to visualize the payment date for our subscriptions. Next, we have our budgets page. Here is where we can create spending budgets and categories. We can view our monthly budget, our total expenses for the month so far, and our monthly utilization that will tell us our percentage used and if we are on or over budget. Lastly, we have our database page. Here we can find all of the sources databases used for this template, so be careful using this template. Back to the main page, we can find an overview of our accounts, a preview of our budgets, a summary of our incomes and expenses, and lastly, we can see an overview of our subscriptions. And now, it's your time to gain control over your finances. If you found the video useful, a like will be very appreciated. And if you like my content and wanna see more templates, don't forget to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!